and today I'm going to show you how to check the refrigerant on your air conditioner without any tools. So as you can see, we have two units here. We have a mana and a carrier here. And if you notice, as I put my hand above this one, the air is warm. And I'm going to come over to this other unit. I feel the air, and the air is cool. And then if we go and we feel the line down here, now you want to look at the larger of the two lines, the one that usually has the insulation on it. You feel this line, it's cold, and it also has condensation coming out of it, like a cold glass of water. And if you walk over to the other unit, you feel the line, and it's cool, but if you notice, there's no condensation coming off of it. This one's not rejecting as much heat. The air's not as hot as the other one. The line's not as cold. Super simple way for homeowners to diagnose their own air conditioner this summer. Be sure to subscribe for more tips like this. And by the way, we've got some real exciting stuff coming on our website. Stuff I can't even talk about yet that we're really excited about. But be sure to check those out. By the way, big news. I passed my HVAC contractor's license test. I'm now a licensed air conditioning contractor. I don't think we're going to use the name HVAC double agent as the business name for the heat and air company. I just feel like the HVAC double agent name kind of has a negative connotation, maybe. Maybe double agent seems a little shady. So I'd love your feedback on that. Please drop something in the comments for me as we're embarking on this new adventure. Not sure of the name yet. Would love some input from our subscribers, and we appreciate the few of y'all out there. It means a lot to me personally. Growing on YouTube is exceptionally difficult. To have 374 subscribers means the world to me, so thank you.